grade 6 pupils. Welcome to Ed Podcast, where you can listen to educational podcasts, read and comprehend to improve your learning. I'm Rodlene, and today we're talking about something we all do: yawning. Why do we yawn? Is it just because we're sleepy, or is there more to it? Teacher Charmaine is here to read the story for us. Teacher Charmaine, are you ready to help us uncover the mystery behind yawning?
Absolutely. Let's read and listen closely together. Follow the words on your screen and stay focused. Yawning is something we cannot control. Even babies inside their mother's womb have been seen yawning at just 11 weeks old.
Wait, babies yawn before they're even born? That's amazing.
It really is. Yawning starts early and it's something all humans do.
So it's not just about being tired. There must be more to it.
One popular idea is that people yawn when they're tired or bored. But this doesn't explain why athletes yawn before a big event or why dogs yawn before they attack.
That's interesting. So yawning isn't just about sleepiness?
Exactly. It can happen when someone is nervous, excited, or even getting ready to focus.
Wow, so yawning might be a way to prepare the body.
Some scientists say yawning happens when there's not enough oxygen and too much carbon dioxide in the air. That's why people sometimes yawn together in groups. They're all trying to get more air.
So when one person yawns, others follow? Is that because we're all competing for oxygen?
That's one idea. It's called contagious yawning. Even in classrooms, pupils might yawn together.
Class, do you ever yawn during lessons? I bet you do.
Yawning in class might happen because pupils feel sleepy. But even when the body feels tired, the brain stays active.
That's good to know. So even when we yawn, our brains are still working hard.
Yes, some scientists believe yawning helps cool the brain. A cooler brain helps us think more clearly.
That's amazing. Do we need to put an ice pack on our heads to stay smart?
Not really. Our brains cool themselves naturally when we yawn.
Good thing. I don't want to walk around with my ice on my head. Hey pupils, are you still with us? Let's take a moment to think about what we've learned.
We discovered that first, yawning starts even before birth. Second, it's not just about being tired. It can mean focus or stress. Third, yawning helps us get more oxygen. Fourth, it might help cool the brain. And lastly, it's something we all do, even in class.
That's a lot of yawning facts. Take a moment. What part surprised you the most?
For me, it's the idea that yawning helps the brain stay cool. That's smart science.
And today your brain stayed cool and curious. And you listen, read, and learn, just like what's missing, diving in pain.
You use your eyes, ears, and brain all at once. That's smart learning.
Alright, pupils, that's the end of our podcast. Thanks for yawning into science with us today. Thank you also, Teacher Charmaine. Keep your minds active and your brains chill. See you next time on Ed Podcast.